Have you ever felt overwhelmed or need help managing your finances? You're not alone. A 2021 survey by the National Foundation for Credit Counseling revealed that only 42% of U.S. adults have a budget and keep close track of their spending. Financial literacy is an essential life skill that is often overlooked. That's where financial education comes in. Simply put, financial education equips individuals with the assurance to make well-informed decisions about money. It's a lifelong journey that empowers people to achieve economic stability, build wealth, and secure their future. In this video, we'll explore the concept of financial education in depth. We'll discuss what it covers, why it's crucial, when it should start, and where you can find reliable resources and tips for making the most of your financial education journey. Financial education is a broad term that includes various aspects of personal finance. Here are some key areas it typically covers. 1. Money management skills. This includes budgeting, tracking expenses, saving strategies, and understanding the time value of money. Financial education teaches you how to allocate your income effectively, control spending, and build an emergency fund. 2. Understanding credit and debt. Credit possesses significant potential when utilized responsibly, yet it can also lead to financial troubles if mishandled. Financial education helps you understand credit scores, credit reports, different types of loans, and strategies for managing and paying off debt. 3. Insurance and risk management. Life is full of uncertainties, and financial education equips you with the knowledge to assess and mitigate potential risks. It covers different types of insurance, e.g., health, life, auto, homeowners, risk tolerance, and strategies for protecting your assets. 4. Investing and retirement planning. Building long-term wealth and planning for a comfortable retirement are essential components of financial education. It covers investment vehicles like stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and retirement accounts, e.g., 401k IRA, as well as asset allocation and risk management strategies. 5. Tax planning. Knowing tax laws and strategies can help you reduce your tax burden and optimize your income after taxes. Financial education covers topics like filing tax returns, tax deductions and credits, and tax-advantaged accounts. 6. Estate planning. Financial education also addresses the importance of having a well-thought-out estate plan. This includes understanding wills, trusts, power of attorney, and strategies for transferring assets to beneficiaries. Why financial education is crucial. Financial education is not just a nice-to-have skill. It's a necessity in today's complex financial landscape. Here are some compelling reasons why financial education is crucial. 1. Informed decision-making. By acquiring financial literacy, you can make educated choices regarding saving, investing, borrowing, and spending. This empowers you to take control of your financial future and avoid costly mistakes. 2. Financial stability and independence. Learning how to manage money effectively increases your chances of achieving financial stability and independence. Financial literacy aids in establishing an emergency fund, decreasing debt, and laying strong financial groundwork. 3. Preparedness for unexpected events. Life's uncertainties necessitate readiness, and financial education equips you to handle unforeseen occurrences such as job loss, medical emergencies, or natural disasters. You'll be better equipped to weather these storms with a solid financial plan and emergency fund. 4. Wealth building and goal achievement. Financial education teaches strategies for building long-term wealth and achieving financial goals, such as buying a home, funding your children's education, or enjoying a comfortable retirement. 5. Breaking the cycle of generational poverty. Financial illiteracy can perpetuate a cycle of poverty across generations. By providing financial education, you can equip individuals with the tools to break this cycle and create a better economic future for themselves and their families. 6. Improved overall well-being. Financial worries can impact mental and physical well-being. Financial education can alleviate this stress by giving you control over your finances, promoting better decision-making, and enabling you to live a more fulfilling life. When should financial education start? The earlier financial education starts, the better. Developing sound money habits and a healthy relationship with finances from a young age can profoundly impact an individual's economic well-being. Financial education should ideally begin in childhood or adolescence. Many experts recommend introducing basic economic concepts to children as early as kindergarten, such as distinguishing between wants and needs, the value of money, and the concept of saving. As children progress through elementary and middle school, financial education can cover more advanced topics like budgeting, banking, and the principles of earning, saving, and investing. This lays the foundation for financial literacy and instills positive money habits early on. In high school, students should receive comprehensive financial education that prepares them for the real-world financial decisions they'll face as young adults. This could include lessons on credit, loans, taxes, insurance, and investment vehicles like retirement accounts. Of course, financial education shouldn't stop after high school or college. It's a lifelong journey that requires continuous learning and adaptation to changing economic situations and goals. Employers, financial institutions, and community organizations often offer adult financial education programs and resources. Sources of financial education, 350 words. Fortunately, there are numerous sources available for individuals seeking financial education. Here are some familiar places to find reliable financial education resources. 1. Schools and educational institutions. Many elementary and college schools incorporate financial education into their curricula. Such programs can offer a robust grounding in personal finance principles and tactics. 2. Online resources and courses. The internet has made financial education more accessible. Many free resources, such as blogs, podcasts, videos, and online classes, can be found from reputable sources like government agencies, nonprofit organizations, and financial institutions. 3. Financial advisors and professionals. Working with a qualified financial advisor or certified financial planner can provide personalized financial education tailored to your unique situation and goals. They can also help you navigate intricate financial choices and assist in crafting a holistic financial strategy. 4. Books and publications. Numerous books and magazines are devoted to diverse facets of personal finance, encompassing budgeting, investing, retirement planning, and estate management. These resources offer thorough understanding and actionable strategies. 5. Community organizations and workshops. Many local organizations, libraries, and financial institutions offer free or low-cost financial education workshops and seminars. These can be great opportunities to learn from experts and connect with others on their financial journey. When seeking financial education resources, it's essential to ensure they come from reputable and unbiased sources. Be wary of sources that promote specific financial products or services, as they may have conflicts of interest. Tips for effective financial education, 350 words. While financial education is crucial, it's not a one-size-fits-all approach. To make the most of your financial education journey, consider these tips. 1. Make it relatable and practical. Financial concepts can seem abstract and overwhelming if not presented in a relatable and practical manner. Look for resources that use real-life examples, case studies, and interactive activities to make the material more engaging and applicable to your situation. 2. Encourage hands-on learning experiences. Financial education is most effective when implemented. Look for opportunities to create a budget, simulate investment scenarios, or participate in financial simulations or challenges. These hands-on experiences reinforce the concepts and help build confidence in managing your finances. 3. Emphasize long-term thinking and goal setting. Financial education should not just focus on short-term money management, but also long-term planning and goal setting. Encourage learners to consider their future aspirations, whether saving for a down payment on a house, funding their children's education, or planning retirement. 4. Promote responsible money habits. Effective financial education should go beyond just knowledge transfer. It should also instill responsible money habits and behaviors. Encourage learners to practice discipline, delayed gratification, and mindful spending to develop a healthy relationship with money. 5. Highlight the benefits of financial literacy. Financial education can be perceived as tedious or overwhelming, especially for those who need help with numbers or financial concepts. To keep learners motivated, highlight the tangible benefits of financial literacy, such as reduced stress, increased economic security, and the ability to achieve life goals. 6. Tailor the approach. Financial education should be tailored to the learner's age, life stage, and unique circumstances. The approach and content for teaching financial literacy to children will differ from that for young adults, mid-career professionals, or retirees. Financial education is an invaluable life skill that empowers individuals to make informed decisions, attain economic stability, and safeguard their future. Whether you're a student, a working professional, or a retiree, there's always time to embark on your financial education journey. Remember, financial literacy is not a one-time event, but a lifelong learning process that requires adapting to changing economic landscapes. Seek reliable resources, embrace hands-on learning experiences, and cultivate responsible money habits. With financial education, you can take control of your finances and lead a more prosperous and fulfilling life.